today in this video, we're going to be working on this little area right here and around my front porch, getting this mold off. Now I've worked on the top part already a little bit. We're going to work on the bottom area and right over here. And anyway, I want to use this, and Mr. Clean Freak. We're going to scrub down here, and I'm going to throw some water on it. And just kind of, I'm going to do a voiceover to talk to y'all since my husband's mowing. So y'all see me kind of working. Plus, also, I'll kind of give y'all a little talk in the background. So anyway, this is what we're going to be doing today. So join me. Thanks. Well, let's clean up this mobile home disaster. Hey, everyone. I wanted to get on here and tell y'all that what I'm doing now is cleaning the siding and be able to let y'all know that, just kind of show you that what the process takes of cleaning, and hope y'all enjoy this today. My next video will be a walkthrough of my home, so a complete update about what's going on and what I've done so far around my home. And as you've seen in my last video, we got a brand new mower, a brand new lawnmower, and so we've been trying to get some of that done as well, and on mowing the yard and catching some of that up. But it's been a very hard process because it seems like all we do is receive rain anymore. It seems like it just rains constantly here in Kentucky. So we haven't caught much of a dry break in a little while. So that's one reason I hadn't been able to put many videos on here lately, is because it has just been so much rain. And so that you'll have to forgive me for not being able to update any current videos yet. In my next video, I want to show a walkthrough around my home and kind of just show everybody the small updates we have done so far around the house. And there's still so much I want to do around here. Yes, gotta wait till I can financially afford it. You know, my husband does work 6 days a week. If some of you might not know, I am a heart attack patient, so I don't get out and do as much myself. So that's one reason I wanted to prioritize YouTube being a job for me. And so I appreciate each and every one of you out there that watches my videos, because I am now, thanks to each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos, I am now monetized. So yes, I do get paid through ad sponsorship through YouTube, and so that helps me now do this as a job. And that helps me greatly, since I can't really work much public work. This is what I wanted to be able to do for a living. So now that I'm monetized to make money on YouTube, how that works now, when everyone who watches one of my videos, AdSense from YouTube, for every person that watches it, pays you, or pays me as the video owner for getting people to watch it for the AdSense. So now I'm able to do that. And so yes, watching my videos tremendously helps me a great deal. We work a lot around here. Again, my husband, he works 6 days a week. And we do things around here as we can. Some of the videos on here might be of travel, because we do like to go places. We enjoy going to Florida, the mountains, just different places than the other family does. And I want to be able to take each and every one of you along with me. So I hope also, just besides mobile home disaster videos, you do enjoy traveling videos, because I would love to include those here on my YouTube channel as well. And let me know in the comments what you think on that, and how you feel about it, and what's your favorite places to visit when you travel. Again, I have a 7-year-old son, so he does love theme parks, whether it's Disney World, Universal Studios, SeaWorld, Legoland. He loves all that and really enjoys it. So, you never find out where we might venture off to sometimes. And we love spending time in the Smoky Mountains and enjoy going through there. So I'd like to be able to have a little bit of a variety on my YouTube channel as well. And sometimes we'll be doing inside cleaning, the inside of my disaster mobile home. So I'd like to take y'all along with that too. And so always check out my videos and hit the notification button, so that way you are notified when each time I upload a new video. And to anybody new watching my channel, hey, if you don't mind, subscribe. And I hope to be able to maybe motivate somebody out there, encourage someone out there with their home, or maybe if they want to travel somewhere. If I do a hotel review, maybe that might be encouragement of something you might want to do yourself in the future. Or, if you can't get out and have to stay at home, maybe I can take you with you places you want to go, but you're not able to get out to do that. So, I hope people get different things out of my videos. There's also a lot of ideas I have for my front yard. As finances, I'd like to work on. First of all I think I mentioned in the previous video, put rock underneath my porch, which when I do that, or pebble type rock. When I do that, I do plan on putting cardboard down first under the front porch there. What I'm trying to do is make it look more presentable and try to prevent weeds from growing back, because I have had horrible weed problem and high growth weed under my front porch. I've always had that issue. I've tried to prevent it. I've used weed killer, it didn't work, and lots of different things. And so I think maybe this might be a better solution for me, a better fit. So again, I'm going to start out. I'm going to put maybe 1 to 2 layers of cardboard down and spread it down about maybe 1 or 2 layers. Then put the cloth for weeds, put it down, because I've got plenty of it. I think I've got over 100-something feet of weed cloth. And then I'm going to have, I found a gentleman that is going to bring us some gravel in our driveway soon. And we finally got a chance to find out somebody to see how much they charge. And I'm going to have enough I can scoop that over under the porch. So I'm hoping between the cardboard and then blocking it out with a cloth plus the rock, maybe might do it enough to prevent. Oh, also in the video here, as you can see, I got done with this wall. Looks great. What I've done so far has looked really good. But I'm just hoping that between all of that will block it out enough that maybe with weed killer we can prevent any other weeds from coming back. I want to be able to thank each and every one of you for watching this video. And again, all my subscribers, thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And again, my next video is going to be a full outside walkthrough, just kind of show everybody. And so, again, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. I hope you kind of enjoyed this one as a little bit of a different video, but I appreciate each and every one of you so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. God bless each and every one of you out there. I do want to add, my husband is not mowing this fast. I put it, speed it up a little bit so the video wouldn't be so long for y'all. So, just wanted to let y'all know his mower isn't going a million miles an hour. Okay, bye everyone.